Hi everyone. Today we are going to study class 7th Geography chapter 1 Environment. So what is environment? Whatever you see in your surroundings, that means the school building, tables, chairs in the classroom, even that open field, the road, the garbage, all are parts of our environment. Some objects are created by nature. For example, mountains, rivers, trees, and animals. And others are made by people. For example, roads, cars, clothes, books, etc. Environment is coming from the French word environneur, meaning neighborhood. On June 5th, every year, World Environment Day is celebrated. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. So, what is environment? Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. Components of environment. What are the three components of environment? Natural environment, human-made environment, and human. Natural environment is land means lithosphere, air means atmosphere, water is hydrosphere, and living things is biosphere. All are the parts of our environment. Next, human made. Human made means buildings, parks, bridges, roads, monuments, industries, etc. All are the parts of our environment. And human, an individual, family, community, religion, educational, economic, and political situation. All are the parts of our environment. So, environment is the place, people, things, and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. It is a combination of natural and human-made phenomena. While the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic conditions existing on the earth. Biotic means the world of living organisms. Example, plants and animals. Biotic means the world of living organisms. And abiotic means the world of non-living elements. That is, example, land. For next one, natural environment. Land, water, air, plants and animals comprise the natural environment. Land, water, air, plants and animals comprise the natural environment. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. So, what is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. Next, hydrosphere. The domain of water is referred to as hydrosphere. It comprises various sources of water and different types of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. It is essential for all living organisms. Next one is the atmosphere. Atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from the harmful rays of the scorching heat of the sun. It consists of a number of gases, dust and water vapor. Next one is biosphere. Plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. So what are the natural environment? Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Next one is, what is ecosystem? All plants, animals and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. So what is an ecosystem? All plants, animals and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. Next one, human environment. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. Humans learn new ways to use and change environment. They learn to grow crops, domesticate animals and lead a settled life. The wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, barter system emerged, trade started and commerce developed. So what is barter system? Barter system means it is trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. It is a trade in which goods are exchanged and without use of money. And trade started and commerce developed. Industrial revolution enabled large scale production. Transportation became fast. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. So my dear children, we protect and save our environment. We create a better environment for yourself and the future generation. So thank you and have a nice day.